guys, I know, and you know too. Anyway, you know what I mean? After Christmas and the New Year, one thing you have to do is this. Make sure you bring back your body, bring back yourself together. You know what I mean? We know you're gonna have to go to work and bits and pieces, but take a little time and make something really healthy. Some healthy salad, something very quickly, simple and easy to make, you know? So this is why Chef Ricardo come in and fill those gaps. Very easy, salmon with some salad. That's for your dinner tonight. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, make sure you drink a smoothie. For lunch, try and eat some salad or some fruits. In the evening, come back again, get something, you know, very simple and unique and easy to prepare. You can't find anything, stay right on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, get your favorite recipes. And you know what? Detox your body, it is very important. We got apple cider vinegar, drink it with some lemon or some water with some cucumber. Detox your body, very important after Christmas and in the new year here. Alright guys, so stay tuned. This is how I prepare a lovely salad for you for your dinner or for lunch or for your evening, whatever your time you want to have it. But it's with salad. Enjoy the recipe guys, stay tuned. Nice and lovely, welcome back in the kitchen again. Yes, after New Year, you know, a lot of people say, oh yeah, I want to lose weight and I want to be healthy and all these things. But anyway, I have 2 pieces of salmon which I'm going to make a nice lovely oven baked salmon. You know, after New Year I want something lightly, take it simple, easy going. 2 pieces of lovely piece of salmon, because I got it at the eat why they look like that kind of way. Jamaica Valley fish season, we're going to use that. I got some blending, natural blending season. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of that on it. Nice and lovely. Alright, the Jamaican Valley fish season, what's gonna make the difference? I'm gonna put ½ teaspoon of it. And the Jamaican Valley all-purpose season. Just a little pinch for spices. Also, we're gonna put a little bit of the jerk season, just a little pinch of the jerk season, not too much. Keep it simple, you know. Also, we're going to put a pinch of paprika. Nice one. Put that one side. Not only that, put a little bit of cracked pepper. You don't have to, because the Jamaican Valley season have everything already. Alright. Next, I'm gonna put a little bit of season on it and all these things. Just to make it, you know, bring in a flavor to it. We got spring onion. Finely cut up your spring onion as you can. Very important. Alright. Red onion, I can use white onion, anyone you like to. It doesn't matter, you can use anyone you like to use. Alright guys, honestly. Piece of yellow pepper, piece of red pepper. Finally cut it up. When you're using a knife at home, please use it a very smaller way, because I'm a chef and I know what I'm doing. One clove of garlic. I just simply crush it because I know what I'm doing. Please use a garlic crusher. It's more important and more safer. Alright, finally cut it up. In my blending season, it is just garlic, olive oil, white onion, thyme, pepper and spring onion. Put it into a blender and blend it up. Next, we're going to put some olive oil I love olive oil. Alright. You don't need to put any salt. You know what I mean? Although the Jamaican Valley season doesn't got any salt, but I'm a person, I don't like too much salt. Make sure you got the gloves. You know what happened, guys, to be honest? You know you can put also a medium size tomato on it. We're gonna put a medium sized tomato, alright? After holiday, you know, people wanna go healthy. Alright? Nice and lovely. So all of these is on it at the moment. Then after you do all of your hard work, to be honest, guys, man, I tell you, this one is really nice, and I know you guys going to love this one. So make sure you put on the gloves, very important. Just simple. Rub up the fish like this with everything. Your good salmon here. Nice and lovely. So this is the way the salmon look. Alright. Nice and lovely. Nice and lovely. So basically, as I said, this is the salmon right here. So what we're going to do now is get the foil. Alright. Just for safety, we're going to use 2 pieces of foil. Alright. We're going to put the fish on it like this. And like this. Alright. We're going to do the next one just like that too. Next. So we're going to do the next fish now. Alright, guys. And the next fish, this is how we're going to do the same thing again with the other fish. Get the fish, put it on the foil. Get all of your favorite season which you just cut up and just lay it on top of it like this, and that's going to be a lovely baked fish, as you can see right here. That's so lovely and nice. Second thing what you need to do after you do that, just wrap it. That you can be able to put the fire when you finish. So this is a fish right here, and all I'm going to do is pop this in my oven for about 20 minutes inside of the oven, guys. On a hot oven, I'm using gas mark 7 at the moment. You can use gas mark 6 or 7 for 20 minutes in the oven. This can serve with salad. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare a salad to go with this nice lovely baked salmon. You know, after the Christmas and the New Year kick in, you know what I mean, people want to go healthy to start, you know what I mean, after you eat those one per carb, you know what I mean, potato and rice, you need something light. So let's kick it off, guys. 20 minutes in the oven, good to go from Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely, guys. Just take the salmon from the oven. Alright? And first thing what I'm going to do is to let's put this right here, guys. Honestly, I just take it from the oven. And I'm gonna get the foil out. So this is the foil. So basically, wow, just take a good look. So that look nice and lovely. That's exactly what I'm talking about. So basically what you need to do, I'm just gonna simply take up this one. Alright. as you guys can see exactly what's going on right here. So you see that? That's the salmon right there. It's 2 pieces of salmon, but honestly, you know what I mean, I'm just gonna be using up these salmon. And the salmon cooked so perfectly. Alright, so that's beautiful and nice. Good result from the salmon. All you need to do is to get your salad just like this. Honestly, this is all you need in the new year. Nothing too heavy, and you know what I mean, something very easy and simple like this. Alright, with a glass of lemonade water. The lemonade water gonna do it to help you to detox your body and also help you to bring back your body together. So hopefully guys will like the recipe, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipe like this will be coming, a lot more ideas and a lot more things will be coming. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, so please stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. We will be having the best of the best recipe coming for you for the new year. Alright guys, it's just to get back your body together, and this is one of the best way you could ever do at home. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere. See you next time. Bye bye.